Hi guys, it's me, Misha, PopsGlam, and today, recently I've been into origami, and I've been making my own. Some I learned from YouTube, some I just made them on my inspiration from my head. So I made this little book that I'm going to be sharing with you, because I made it, and some of them are from YouTube, some of them I just made, so I'm just going to be sharing that with you. And it can be a little cheat sheet if you don't want to watch the whole entire video. But that's my opinion. But okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to be reading this. Okay. By Misha and Nabil. How to origami. And I also made pictures. But cat head. Take a square paper. Fold it up like a triangle. Fold top and put the edge and pull the edges. So I made arrow to say you put this down and you put these two up. And flip it and done. You can add stuff. So this is basically the origami I made, but tiny, so it can fit in the tiny theme. Lipstick. So take a rectangle, fold, so now it's a square. Yeah, so now it's a triangle. Fold the top down, so now it's this. Flip it, fold the sides together, and then turn it, so it's this now. Fold excess, color is a bonus. So this is the lipstick. Dog, well, sad dog. You fold that there, then you fold that way up there, then you fold that over there, and boom, doggy. Okay, ice cream. So you take this, you put it in a dining position, and you fold those two around, so now it's this. Then you fold that down, and now it's this. You flip it, and now I'm going to turn the page to see. Woo! This is it. So, I know I didn't spell that correctly, but it says poodle. This was the hardest. So I fold all the edges together, and now it's this. And then you half it, and it's that. Then you take this, you put it up, you fold that side up, and done. This one I'm really proud of. Okay. Thank you. If you want more, just tell me. Hope you liked it. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want another origami book, or I should make it on something else, because whatever you guys suggest. So I hope you liked it. Bye!